Picture your computer like a city. The CPU is the mayor, makes decisions. The GPU is a stadium, built to handle big crowds of pixels. And the AI chip, that's a brand new factory that cranks through one job insanely fast math. So, how does an AI chip actually work in a PC or laptop? Short answer. It multiplies giant grids of numbers, tensors, using thousands of tiny specialized math units in parallel. That's why it's perfect for neural networks. Where is it? On desktops, it can be a dedicated card plugged into a PCIe slot. Think your GPU with Tensor or AI cores on board. On laptops, it's usually built right into the main processor package as an NPU, neural processing unit, sitting millimeters from the CPU and integrated GPU, wired by high-speed PCIe lanes, or on-chip interconnects. Imagine a simple map, CPU in the center, dispatches tasks, AI chip NPU beside it, connected by a fat, low-latency bus, memory up top, system RAM, VRAM on a GPU card, storage at the edge, your SSD holding model files, power and cooling, heat sinks, heat pipes, fans. What does it do all day? Inference, running a trained model to blur your background on calls, clean up your mic, translate captions, summarize notes, enhance photos, speed up coding assistance, generate images, on device, training, adapting a model to your voice, adapting to your style, tweaking a few weights without cooking your battery. The workflow looks like this. 1. The model weights load from the SSD into RAM or VRAM. 1. The app asks the AI chip via drivers and frameworks, think DirectML, Core ML, CUDA, ROCm, ONNX runtime, to run layers like attention and convolutions. 1. The AI chip breaks the job into tiles and batches, streams data through tensor cores, uses fast on-chip SRAM caches, avoids slow trips to main memory with DMA. 1. Results go back to the CPU or GPU, then to your screen, speakers, or file. Why a separate AI engine? Efficiency. Those tiny math units, low precision formats, INT8, FP16, burn way less power per operation than a general CPU. That means longer battery life and cooler laptops while handling larger models in real time. What info can it hold or provide? It doesn't remember your life by itself. It holds temporary activations in caches, waits in VRAM, waits in RAM, and spits out results, text, images, embeddings, detections. Privacy win. On-device AI keeps data local unless you choose to send it out. So next time you click Enhance, Transcribe, or Generate, picture that factory humming beside the mayor, moving tensors on superhighways, doing one thing ridiculously well, and making your PC feel smarter without breaking a sweat.